What is nutrition? Food and nutrition are the foundational elements for health and well-being. They play a critical role in sustaining life, maintaining health, and for the prevention of different diseases. Let's explore the importance of nutrition and effect of nutrition on human health. Basically, nutrition is about eating a healthy and well-balanced diet. But it is defined as the process of taking in food and converting it into energy and other vital nutrients required for metabolism of human body. This food may be in the form of carbohydrates, fat, protein, or vitamins. All these play a crucial role in maintaining basic metabolism of human body and are required in proper amounts. First, we have carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are the main source of energy for the body. They are present in grains, fruits, vegetables, whole wheat, etc. Now let's look at what is a zero-carb diet. A zero-carb diet may provide health benefits such as lowering of blood pressure, but it can also cause certain side effects. A no-carb diet means eliminating all carbs from body, including whole grains, fruits, and vegetables. If a person goes on a no-carb diet, then alternatively he must eat foods that primarily contains protein or fat such as fat, meat, fish, eggs, cheese, oils, and butter. Some people who follow this diet eat fruits high in fat such as avocado and coconuts. These foods are high in fiber and contain only a number of digestible or net carbs. Net carbs are calculated by subtracting amount of fiber from total number of carbs. This no-carb diet resembles a ketogenic diet in which number of carb intake limits to fewer than 20 to 50 grams per day. This allows the body to get 60% or more daily calories from fat. How to follow a no-carb diet? Following a no-carb diet simply means avoiding all high-carb foods. Foods and drinks that are allowed in no-carb diet are meat, fish, egg, cheese, butter, oils, coffee, or tea. In short, following a no-carb diet helps in reducing weight. Carbohydrates are important in our diet. Carbohydrates are important for our mind and body due to several reasons. First is their role in increasing healthy gut bacteria, ultimately improving process of digestion. Carbohydrates regulates the blood sugar levels. When people eat food containing carbohydrates, the digestible parts are broken down by the digestive system into sugar, which then enters the blood. Due to rise in blood sugar level, insulin is produced by pancreas, which absorbs blood sugar for energy and storage. Carbohydrate metabolism is important in the development of type 2 diabetes. Without intake of enough carbohydrates, blood sugar level drops to low, causing lethargy and irritation. Carbohydrates are also essential for the production of serotonin, a neurotransmitter that helps in regulation of mood.